Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be collabing with UNice. So right now I'm showing you guys what comes in the box. And here's the wig. It is a pretty auburn color. It is a 13x6 frontal wig. It is 20 inches, 150 density, and it is a water wave texture. So right now I am showing you guys how I put on my glue and the fitting of the lace frontal. So right now I'm just making sure that it is fit to my forehead before I properly glue it down. It did not come all the way bleached, but you can either lightly bleach it yourself or you can put makeup on it. I chose to put makeup on mine to help it blend better. And it is Swiss lace as well. So right now I'm just cutting the lace, and you want to make sure when you cut the lace that you cut the lace as closest to the hairline as possible, because if you don't get that extra lace, it will show once you start to style it. So I won't talk throughout the full video. I'll kind of just let you guys watch as I go, and then I'll talk on the very important parts. So right here, I am getting those baby hairs out. The wig does come with baby hairs, but you can add extra if you like to. So yeah, I decided to put some at the top and some by my ears. And right now I'm putting that melting band on that it came with, and I am going to use a wax stick to flatten my part and then go over it with my hot comb as well. So I'm going to use a razor to cut my baby hairs on each side, and then I'm going to use some mousse to lay them to give them that soft look effect. So here I'm just brushing those curls out. As you can tell, the hair is very thick and full and fluffy and flowy. This hair color is like an auburn color, very pretty fall vibe. So I do love that about this wig. So right now I'm just spraying it with my spray mist bottle to get those curls back popping and defined. So I'm just going to use my denim brush to define the curls all over. And I'm just using mousse on top of the water just to lock those curls in. So I'm taking that lace melting band off, and as you can see, the lace is melted. And right now I'm just taking my concealer just to help that parting area pop a little more. But as you can tell, the wig is gorgeous. Those curls are popping, that color is popping, and it's so flowy, pretty, and wavy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me installing this wig from UNice just as much as I did. I will put the link in the description box below so that you guys can purchase this same wig. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and comment what you love most about this install. And go check out their website. Thank you for watching and hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.